In this video, we are going to discuss the principle of design known as emphasis. Emphasis is a way of developing the main theme or the important aspect that you want the viewer to pay attention to in a work of art. We do this by creating a focal point. A focal point is also known as a center of interest or a point of emphasis. This is the area that you are emphasizing that tells the viewer what is important to look at. There are several different techniques for creating a focal point. We are going to discuss 5 of them. The first is contrast. Contrast means two opposites, so having one area that is different from everything else around it will automatically draw the viewer's attention to it. So the moving, hopping white circle right now is the focal point in this particular image. If everything else had been a white circle and the one circle had been a darker color, that also would have created a sense of contrast. The second technique is to use isolation. By isolating or taking away all the extraneous material that you don't need, you can highlight the one thing you want the viewer to look at by literally giving them nowhere else to look. Placement can also be used to create a sense of emphasis. Placement describes where an object is located. If you wish your viewers to see the object first and know that it's the most important, place it in the center of your composition. You can use converging lines, meaning lines that all connect and intersect at one point, in order to create a sense of emphasis as well. The area that all of the lines connect at is going to be where your center of interest is. In the image shown, this is over the face of the man in the center of the image. There are real and implied lines directing the viewer's eye all to his face. For our notes, you do not have to draw the entire picture in the background, but you do need to have the rays connecting at a single point to create focal point using converging lines. The final technique that you can use is adding an unusual detail, something that is different from everything else around it, something that is jarring and grabs the attention by its sheer opposite or interest factor compared to everything else going on in your picture. Those are just some ways to create emphasis in your works of art.